Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fill in your logbook if you're a student of NOUN University in Nigeria. This is a video for you. Guys, I'm no way in any way professional. I'm just a student that is also researching the assignments, and I decided to share my own understanding with you guys. And I hope when you watch this video, if you have any comments or any observations, any corrections, just leave a comment in the comment section. This is the question that we solved in class, and I'll be using this as a guide to fill the logbook. So this is not in any way the assignment question, but I'll just be using it as an example to fill the logbook, so you can use this as a guide for your assignment. Now this is the first page of your logbook. You can see all the details. You need to fill your matric number. Make sure everything is written legibly and clean. Make sure you photocopy your ID on the front page or something. Just make sure you put your ID card. I think that's what the man said we should do. And generally, just make sure you fill your details. Every page or most of the pages has a space for your matric number. Just make sure you put your matric number everywhere. Now let's go through it page by page. First page we already know is your information. Write in your information legibly, and remember to photocopy or staple or something your ID there in the front page is important. Then the second page has your problem statement, which is number 1. Just write out your question on that problem statement. That's what it requires there. Straight to number 2, problem specification. This is almost the same as number 1. Write your question in another form. Just explain it more, elaborate on it. Write your formula, whatever details that need to be elaborate it there. This step 3 is your analysis. On this analysis, you are just going to analyze the whole process, not just the question. Analyze your first step to the last step. Let us know the process that you take in details. What you do, you can be more detailed than I did, but this is just a guide. You can be more detailed, you know what I mean. Now for the next one is the design. This design, you are going to add your flow charts. You need to add your flow chart to describe the steps. This is just like a drawing. Now I typed this. I'm going to say it again, that you're supposed to write and draw this flow chart, not to type and print. The man said we should write, not type. So draw the flow chart and write your statement. So you can also go into more details, but this is a sample page for your design basically. So the next step is implementation, and under implementation you just need to write out the code that you used in the program on Visual Basics to get this answer. That code that you typed is what you need here. Then number 6, the final step, is the result. You need to test this result, test this calculator if it's correct. We already, when you press the start button, you go to the final stage and you input your digits to know if your answer is correct. That's what you are just explaining here. So guys, other information that I feel like you need to know is to make sure you print out from your system the program page that you actually did. Print it out and attach it to your logbook. Also, you can print out that other page that shows the object itself, like A plus B equals to C, the boxes that you created. Print out that page to the code page. I think that's what we need to print out. If there's any other detail that I'm forgetting, I'll leave the details on my description and my comment section. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Support your girl. Thank you for watching. Bye.